beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, night, whatever it may be. Know that you're awesome and amazing, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video today. If you are not yet a part of the beautiful shining star family, I would love to have you, so make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell for more this. As many of you guys know that Jacob and I, we took a trip to California. We kind of took a break from YouTube and vlogging and just visit with family and did some jobs down there, and we got back, and to my surprise, there was a bunch of packages from you guys, from friends, families, from beautiful shining star subscribers, and I was just overwhelmed, and I knew I wanted to do an unboxing and haul for you guys. You guys have been with us through this journey, and you have encouraged us so much with all of your love, your prayers, and your comments. We are definitely blessed to have you guys in our lives. As of right now, we are at 30 weeks and 6 days, and we cannot wait for Lyric Michael to come into our world. We are so excited, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as I open up these boxes. It's kind of like Christmas, so I'm excited. So baby update, he's doing great. He's measuring well. His heartbeat's awesome, and mommy got a little sick. So when we got back from the trip, I got sick because I hit the ground running, and then I got like a cold. Thankfully, it hasn't been anything like nausea or some of like the major pregnancy stuff that goes on. It's been pretty smooth sailing thus far, and I'm super thankful for it. But yes, without further ado, let's open up some packages. All right, where to start? So first up, we got a box from the Phillips family. Ooh, oh my gosh, how cute. I love that the stuffing inside is comics. That's so cute. Oh, we have a beautiful, precious card. Babies are God's way of giving the world more smiles, more laughter, more joy, more love. Congratulations to your sweet family. Oh my gosh, thank you, Phillips family. So I have 101 quiet moments with God for new moms. This is awesome. This is something that I definitely feel I need. I need those quiet moments with God. Okay, and then Jesus is with me. Oh my gosh, how precious. I cannot wait to read this to Lyric. I'm gonna start reading this now to him. Jesus is with me wherever I go. I read the Bible, and that's how I know. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, what's this? Whoa. Oh my goodness, how cute. And some really cute baby bibs with little mustachios and plaid print. I love this. Thank you so much, Phillips family. Hey, we got another one. Woo! A gift for you, dear Charis and Jacob. We are so excited for you to start this new chapter in your life with one lucky baby boy. Congratulations, Maria, Aaron, Ellie, and Violet. Oh my goodness, thank you guys. Let's see. Oh, this was on my baby list. Wow. So this is a gownsy, and this is perfect. So I don't have to wear the hospital robe that they give us. Hopefully, I could wear this beautiful floral print one. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh my goodness! I know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is my teepee. Oh my goodness. When we were in California, my amazing friend Amy, she couldn't make it to my baby shower in San Jose where I had it with my family, and she was just like, Charis, let me throw you a baby shower here in LA. And so she, like, last minute threw everything together, and it came out so good. And I remember getting the card from her and her amazing husband Brandon. They are just so incredible. And in the card was a picture of the teepee. So those of you guys who are wondering, we went with the Neverland theme for baby Lyric's nursery, and the teepee was one of the things that I wanted in his room. I always thought it would be super cute to have a little teepee in the baby's room. So thank you, Brandon and Amy, I love you. Oh my goodness, perfect! Wubbo Nub, little infant chipons. The little pacifiers are so cute. And this is from the Polaris family. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I think it's adorable. That's a little moose, so cute. Aww. And this one's from my girl Stacy. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, Stacy. Oh, the cute clothes and bibs. How adorable. And she just had a baby boy as well, and I got to hold him and meet him when I was in San Jose, and he was so precious. Oh. Of course, my girl Stacy's a huge Sharks fan, so it has to have a little dress with the Sharks jersey on. So cute. San Ho, baby. And little towels that reminds me of Finding Nemo and Balinkies. Ah, this is from my friends John and Krissa. How cute. Oh, it's a little hedgehog. Oh my goodness, it's a little hedgehog, and then it has little bow and arrows, and these are little cotton gowns for him to easily snuggle into. Ah, so cute. Also, they got me the Easy Clean Silicone Bibs, which my sister-in-law swears by. She says they are the best kind of bibs you could get. They also got me these nifty, super cute, colorful spoons for baby and a fruit feeder. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh, how cute. A little twinkle, twinkle, little star pillow. How adorable. Oh my goodness. Anonymous again. So thank you to whoever got us this adorable little twinkle, twinkle star pillow. It's so cute and will go so adorable in his nursery. Oh my goodness, how cute. This one's from Elaine. Oh, so awesome. This is for little baby to be snuggle-wuggled in. So cute. Newborn lounger, the perfect place for wee ones to coo and kick in comfort. So cute. And this one's the elephant one with the hearts. Oh my goodness. And Jacob's gonna help me here. Oh! It's the 4-in-1 sling and seat tub for baby. This is gonna be so helpful when we take Lyric his little baths. This is so cute. And this one was from Pastor George and Edine Negretti. I love you guys. I miss you guys, and thank you. Whoa! Oh my gosh, the Peter Pan book! Again, it's gonna go perfect in Lyric's nursery. The little golden books, Walt Disney's Peter Pan. I love it. Oh my goodness, this is from the Polaris family. So awesome. Whoa, oh my goodness. Oh, this is so awesome. Whoa.
This is so awesome. Whoa.
This is the pack and play. So this is perfect for when we want to put Lyric in a fun, protective place, whether it's in the living room or if we're going to the park, we could take this with us. So thank you guys so much. Oh my goodness. Pack and play on the go. Oops. And we got a baby Einstein. Great minds start little. And this is from my girl Claudia, childhood friend. She was at my baby shower in San Jose, and she got me this awesome play set for Lyric. So thank you so much, Claudia. I love you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could see this box. This is from the Atondo family, and they have the most amazing channel, Andrew's Toy Channel and Princess and Makeup and Toys. I love this family. It's a mom, and she does the videos like makeup transformations, Disney style, with the kids, and they're incredible. So this box has Dumbo and there's like a little baby with Mickey ears on the box. It is so cute. Wow. Oh, and in the inside there's little rainbow clouds and sparkles. Oh my, so it has this around inside the box. Little clouds and little suns and rainbows. So cute. It's a cloth envelope. Love is on its way. Oh my goodness. We are so happy for the arrival of baby Lyric. Thank you for sharing both of your journeys. This is an exciting time. Baby Lyric doesn't even have the slightest clue about the beautiful mommy and daddy and loving home God has provided for him. I know it must be somewhat strange that your YouTube family could feel so excited and involved in your life, but you and Jacob really feel like family. You both are such beautiful souls and easy to love. Mostly God's love flows through you in your ministry and life. Oh my goodness, this is so precious. Oh my gosh, how cute! There's little stickers of each month that baby will be. 1 month, beep beep, 2 months. How cute! Capture your first year of milestones with Mickey Mouse. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Handpicked for Earth by my grandpa in heaven. This is so precious! Oh my gosh, because my daddy's in heaven now and he is definitely a big part of my life still, and that's why we picked that name Lyric Michael in honor of my dad. But oh my gosh, so special. Oh, how cute for Christmas! Ah! Oh my gosh, how cute is this little jacket for Christmas? And we do live in the North Pole. Santa Claus's house is down the street, so this is so cute. Oh my goodness, with a little Christmas that has like a little deer and Christmas trees on it, pants to match, and little booties. Ah! Okay, but wait, there's more. Oh my goodness! Ah! Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's beautiful, oh my gosh. This is so awesome. These are tucks and cooling pads and pain relieving spray as well. So after baby's born, this is gonna come in handy. Oh, and of course, Disney Baby and Milk Snob. These are nursing covers. They're so cute and perfect for nursing and covering baby. So you could use it for the car seat cover, for the stroller while you're nursing. These are awesome. Oh my goodness. Baby be mine. Ah, perfect. So when you're in the hospital and you're with baby, you could wear this robe with the beautiful blue and the white polka dots. And then there's a little one that the baby could wear. So cute. Ah, and a little hat. And a little hat too. So precious. And this seems like so practical and real for the never-ending period because you don't want to mess up your real undies. So this is for afterbirth chonies. These are awesome. Thank you. So she also got me a postpartum recovery belt, comfortable fit. This is perfect for after baby to kind of hold everything in place and together. Oh my gosh. I love that she left me little notes on every little gift that's in here that explains it and its use. Postpartum angled Puri bottle for, it's a mom washer. Wow, that's like awesome. But wait, there's more. Oh my goodness, ah! A very special delivery for a very special little baby. Oh my gosh, everything is like so cute. Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, look at all the baby Dumbo stuff. Oh my gosh. I actually went to the Disney baby store. I just held back. I wanted to get everything, but I saw these over there. How cute are these Dumbo overalls for baby boy? Oh my gosh, mommy and me. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my goodness, what in the world? And then it comes with a little baby Dumbo with a little blanket, swaddle blanket, little thumper booties. How cute. A baby Dumbo towel. Ah! A little baby Dumbo pillow. And then a little swaddles and swaddles. Oh my gosh. Dumbo dream blanket. Baby blanket with Dumbo on it. I can't eat it. And then there's little baby books too. My first year. Ah! The kids made a card for baby Lyric. Ah! Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, how cute. It's a little Mickey crawler. So cute. I don't even have words right now, you guys. Please go follow Disney Princess Toys.
Hiya, pal. Hi. You want to crawl with me?
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. So cute. So you guys need to go follow. You can see how amazing these people are. Andrew's Toy Channel and Princess Makeup and Toys. You won't regret it. They're amazing. So I got really excited and started opening up boxes before we decided to film. And one of my girls, another one here on YouTube who's amazing, Vicky Bermudez, sent me this cute box, and inside of it was this Tokyo Disney Dumbo, which is so incredibly adorable. Thank you so much, Vicky. If you guys love Disney as well, you gotta go follow her. She's amazing. And while I was in California, my family threw me a baby shower, and it was amazing, and I had just posted about it. But one of the things that I was just like in awe of was my friend Michelle and Mario. Mario's dad is a phenomenal artist, and he found out my theme was Neverland. Michelle had him make me this amazing Neverland map, you guys. Oh my goodness! I was totally in awe of this map because I wanted to get one for the baby's room, and I saw that they were really expensive, but he straight up made this in like 3 days, you guys. So incredible. Thank you so much, Mr. Rivera, for making this map, and to Michelle and Mario, you guys are the best. Another thing is my bestie Michelle, she makes buttons, and she made these little Peter Pan buttons, and I could put them on Lyric throughout as he's growing, like 1 month, 2 months. And also, you guys know how special my dad has been in my life and the huge role model and inspiration that he was and continues to be. But they made this cute little onesie that says "Pick Jesus" on it, and my dad, he always had shirts that were like faith-based that said like "Pick Jesus" and stuff like that. So this totally like reminds me of my dad, and I started bawling when I saw this. And this is something my dad would always say, no matter what he was going through, he would always say, "I'm good in Jesus." So that is it for my baby shower haul and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you guys are just a huge blessing to Jacob and I and baby Lyric. We love you guys so much. Please let me know in the comment section below what videos you want to see next. And yes, remember that you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!